오빠, can I teach you something today?
뭐?
Do you know how to say good morning in Korean?
잘 잤어? 잘 잤어요? No, 좋은 하루. No, No, good morning would be 좋은 아침.
But today I want to talk about how you shouldn't use 좋은 아침. But today I want to talk about what are the alternatives you can use other than 좋은 아침. 안녕하세요 여러분. Welcome back to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is 인영. Today let's talk about how to say good morning in Korean. But in this video, I'm not going to talk about 좋은 아침. I think there are already many videos that talk about how to say good morning in Korean using 좋은 아침. That is the direct translation. 좋은, good, 아침, morning. However, as a Korean, in my life, I've never said 좋은 아침 to anyone. That's why I'm a little skeptical to teach you 좋은 아침 for good morning. In this video, I can teach you guys alternative ways to say good morning. It doesn't mean it's directly good morning. It's more like what you would say in the morning. Either when you're greeting somebody in the morning or you're trying to wake up someone. So let's get started. Funny thing is, when you're greeting somebody in the morning, I usually just say 안녕하세요. When you go into the office, just say 안녕하세요, which means hello in polite. Of course, if you want to say that in casual, you just say 안녕. Second one, 안녕히 주무셨어요? 안녕히 주무셨어요? 안녕히 peacefully. 주무시 is from a verb 주무시다, to sleep in honorific form. That becomes past tense. 주무셨어요. Slept. 안녕히 주무셨어요? Did you sleep peacefully? In English, you may say, how was your sleep? In Korean, we would rather ask, did you sleep peacefully? 안녕히 주무셨어요? Third one. This is the same meaning as the previous sentence, but in casual. 잘 잤어? 잘 is well. 잤어 is from a verb 자다, to sleep. 잘 잤어. Since this is a casual format, I wouldn't use 주무시다, which is only for honorific form. 잘 잤어? Did you sleep well? Fourth one. You may try to wake up somebody by saying 빨리 일어나. 빨리, quickly. 일어나 is from 일어나다, get up. Get up quickly. 빨리 일어나. You may also replace 빨리 to 어서, which means hurry. It means the same thing. 어서 일어나. Get up, hurry up. And then the fifth one, which is the last one. This one, my mom would say this. When she would try to wake me up, 해가 중천이야. I don't know if you ever heard this phrase before. 해가 중천이야. 해 is the sun, 가 subject particle. 중천, this means middle of the sky. This each syllable is associated to Chinese symbol. 중 means middle. 천 means the sky. 중천, middle of the sky. 이야, beaver. And this is in a casual sentence. 해가 중천이야. The sun is in the middle of the sky, which means you're sleeping in. 해가 중천이야. Even if you use this phrase in a polite format, I wouldn't really recommend you to use this phrase to wake up somebody who's older than you. Hopefully this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to smash the like. If you have any questions, leave them comment down below. And how do you say good morning in your language? I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.